welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today we're making a classic chocolate chip cookie, but we're going to use olive oil instead of butter. Let's get started. First, let's preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's measure our ingredients. To make these cookies, we'll need 2 1/4 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 3/4 cup of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. Now that we have all of our ingredients measured out, in a large bowl we're going to add our flour, baking soda, salt, and baking powder. Whisk everything together. This helps to combine our ingredients and break up any clumps. Once everything is mixed together, we will just set our flour mixture aside for later and move over to our electric mixer. To our electric mixer, we will add our granulated sugar, packed brown sugar, olive oil, and vanilla extract. Here I'm using my electric stand mixer, but I always like to mention that a handheld mixer will work just as well. While our ingredients are mixing together, let's crack our eggs and get them ready for the next step. Once our olive oil, sugar, and vanilla are well combined, we will add our eggs. We will add our eggs one at a time, making sure that the first egg is well combined before adding the second. Now that our eggs have been added, we're ready for the flour mixture we set aside earlier. We will add our flour mixture to our cookie dough, little by little until all of it has been added in. Once everything has been added in, turn off your mixer and with the spatula scrape the sides and bottom of your bowl, making sure everything is fully incorporated. Now we will fold in our chocolate chips. I like to use about 2 cups. Once our chocolate chips have been mixed in, we're ready to start forming our cookies. Scoop some cookie dough and place it on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Then with the back of your spoon, flatten your cookie slightly and shape it into a circle. I found that these olive oil cookies don't spread out as much as a traditional chocolate chip cookie that's made from butter. That's why it's important to flatten the cookies slightly before baking them. Once all of your cookies are formed, place them in your preheated oven and bake them for 8 to 12 minutes. Once your cookies are done baking, they will be slightly golden. Allow your cookies to cool slightly before serving. Your chocolate chip cookies are now ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video and give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more.